Morning. Yesterday I showed you guys what I bought from my birthday ang pao from my aunt, my mom, and my sister. So today I'm going to unbox this foldable mobile phone holder. It's a product sold Onsmo. In Shopee you can find them as Big Studio. It comes with a bag, but it's separated out from the box because they can't fit it. So this is a special gift that they give to you for every purchase of your unit. So this is about, I believe is 118 to 128 that I last saw the price. So they say wait for the offer. I think Shopee has an offer for 25th of September, payday. I think it's Shopee payday. So let's see what's inside. Okay, let's do this. Okay, comes with a Type-C USB cable. Okay, let's put that aside, and then let's pull this. Okay, it's all wrapped in plastic. It comes with the instructions and some pictures for you if you can't read those Mandarin and English. English I think you can. It's very heavy. It's because it's metal inside, so it's heavy. So the buttons are here if you want to open the top light or the bottom light, so light 1 or light 2. So there's charging port here for you, and this is where the openings. Okay, so it says Onsmo. Okay, there you go. And what you do is you push it up. Okay, push it up, and it's supposed to be like that. So you see the stick is out, right? Okay, and this is the remote. So I'm pushing it for the first. Morning. This is remote. Okay, the remote also has a charging cable there. You can charging port there, and you press this to connect to your Bluetooth, and you can light this at light 1. So let's press light 1. So there. So I turn it off again. You can change the color. So turn it off. Light 2. There. So you also can change the intensity. So let's turn that off. Okay. So that's the functionality of the remote. So how do you use this? Already push it or push it out, and this is where you put your phone. It can rotate. So I'm going to put my spare phone. Okay, let me take off the protector. Okay, spare phone. So it's quite sturdy. Okay, so you shake, so you go this way, it doesn't fall off. So it's very sturdy. See, so it can rotate 360 degree. Okay, so let's tighten this first. Okay, let's tighten that. So this one already tightened, yeah, and I just point it up lah, yeah. So this is how far it can go. So let's do that. Can you see that there's another metal openings here? So this is where you can bend over the metal. You can put it up. Okay, let's go there. So I think the only bad side is that there's no way for us to tighten here if the phone is heavy, you see. So what you do is you turn it over and see whether this one. So you get to do your phone this way. So I would not advise you to do anything like that. So bend that, twist it over, so that you have a balance. Okay, so you have a balance right now. The base is very heavy. Okay, base is heavy, and you can support that. So let's test and go a bit higher. Okay, let's go. So I think that's the max, or you can push some more. That's it. I believe that's it. So let's push the camera up a little bit. So that's how high it is. Okay, so you can see it's not straight, but the base is also, you see, you have to put some weight. Maybe I put mine, let me take out the, okay, so okay lah, for basic tool like that still can use. Okay, let's see now. Okay, I'm pushing this up. Now they recommended us to push this down so that the stand is sturdy right now. I think that's the maximum. Maximum is 130 cm. Free high angle shoot. It's 2 lights. So I'm going to turn on the light. Turn on the light. Okay, let's show you guys how it looks like. Yeah. Okay. The lights are on now. Yeah, see. Okay, let's turn on 1. So there you go. So I'm putting this down now.
How many people will be going in later?
7, 8.
7 or 8 lah.
Yeah.
Include MC.
Yeah. So this is how it functions. So it's very, very practical for product reviewers, for YouTubers. So there's light here. I can change the intensity of the lights. I can turn it off, and it has a camera remote. So if you connect it to your phone, you can instantly take a camera, a shot of yourself, or start a video. Okay, so this is a mock-up phone. So that's it. All right. So I feel that this is sturdy, and it has a lock at the bottom. It's practical for us to use for home use. It's not for, you know, those professional. It's basic for you to begin with. Okay, so give it a try. Go and buy from Big Studio. You can find them, or just key in Big Studio. I hope that I can find the link and post it on my description. Okay, bye.